fruits. Fruits. Leaves, flowers. And plants. Plants or land. That is fruits. Flower. 3 minus 2. How many? 3 minus 2. Is how many? 1. Correct. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 2. Correct. Thank you. Then you go in it, then you say copy. After saying copy, you take the color where you want to place it. Then you go in it, then you say paste. You go and say paste. You repeat like that. The second time you go to edit, maybe.
عذروني أنا شايف العذر كاملة وباسك كل شيء ما كاملة. TV, very good. TV. عذر كلام شيء. يا نام شيء كلام. Typhoid. Very good. Typhoid. Yeah. Another disease guy here. عذر كلام شيء. Yeah. Malaria. Very good. Another disease. Yes. Iris. Very good. Another disease. Measles. Very good. Measles. Very good. Now, we have said each and every disease there is a way to stop it. Come on. من هو الفقر والرقاب اللي قلت الجراج الرقاب اللي قلت وياه تي في سنة قلت وياه محاد وجريكم getting سنة هو الجريدة زيادة وينه
الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونستهديه ونعوذ بالله من شرور انفسنا وسيئات اعمالنا انه من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له. اما بعد ساكن waxaan isugu nimid kulanadeenii caadiga ahaa oo iskuul waa bari maadaama aan nahay guddiga aan boorka iskuulka waa bari arrimaha iskuulka kaga tashan jirnay baan saaka isugu nimid taasoo aan jecel lahay maanta xoogaha barnaamijka iskuulka ka jiro oo aan rabnay inaan boogitaan samayno oo aan u dirno insha allahu tacaala hay'adda gacanta ku haysa iskuulka kan taasoo maanta ay nala joogaan xubnihii wakiilka u ahaa maaragtay hay'adda iskuulka gacanta ku haysa oo gada development Dr. Sharif iyo Shiraar ay nala joogaan ku faraxsanahay maanta inay naga soo qayb galaan shirkan sida aad ka qabtaan iskuulka waa bari oo muddo soo socday ilaa iyo 2007kii oo iskuulkiisii caadiga ah oo runtii dhulkaas banaanka ku yaalana dadkii dhibaatadii gaartay oo dagaaladii sukeeyay ay gaareen aad u burburay jecel lahayna haddii ilahay yidhaahdo iskuulkaas hadda bacdamaan guri kiraa aan deganahay in kiradan aan ka baxno iskuulkii dib aan ula dayactiro taasoo runtii hay'adda aan iskuulka gacanta ku haysa aan codsi uga gudbinayna inay iskuulkaas loo dayactirto maanta waan ku faraxsanahay iskuulku aad buu wanaagsan yahay waxbarashadiisu way socotaa macallimiin aad u wanaagsan baa joogto aad buu isugu dibaacsan waa iskuulka kaliya runtii maanta aan dhihi karno magaalada madaxa way aagaanba ka jiro lana tartamahaya hadduusan ahayn inuu ka horeeyo iskuulaadka mandheera oo systemkiisuna aad u wanaagsan yahay لما سيستم بعقب حيسكول كان نوع يا مكان عربت الله ولا نجا وحبرشيد السؤال بيقول هسنت هاي معلومات يلا نوي شوكتا وحنا نروح يعني معاس سبب والله نعيبها هيدا صار ومعركة يعني رفض كهجة الواد فيلان وزارة الخارجية فيلان ورنتي أقول ما هذين إنه نوع صامر يسقط إلى أهل زارنا ومعركة هذا جد development ووكيل كولا عرضا رنتي وفي عطا هوش السعودية وأنا كفر أحسن وأنا أقول هذين النهايات السورة صوت قابك معركة يسقط دعته وسيسو وحنا رجعنا هذا هنا سيلا ولا انتقابته وحوده وحبرشيد هذا سي معركة لما لعبته في سكول كي ناضي عترته معلومات التوبران وسيسو قلت له لفتي ستوبران بحيثه البوغات يا حراس نجا ساعده سكول كاد فوق المرسل لفتي سي قلبين واحد ما مر ربع انا وانا فدنا اد وحنا ما سينا مشارده يا وحيلا اي مارتي اد رجلت هو وجود سو مارت معلومات وسيسو اد بقول اقول ما علينا gaar ahaan hoggaankeeda sare ama gudoomiyaheeda injineer Idris Xasan Faarax aad baan ugu mahadcelinaynaa jazakumullahu khayran assalaamu calaykum
iskool la berimo hay'adda soo berimo waxa weeye waxa ilaahay baa mahadii shukriye waxaan u mahadcelinaynaa hay'adda soo iyo macallimiinta iyo waalidiinta waxa mahad mudan hay'adda suurtagelisay iskuulkan كان دكتور بريم ما إنه سكولة الجلو بريم كيه واحد يجي معلمين أقول أو صفة وحوية كان أو أقول وصل حلي وأكون أنا عسلنا هاي سيدا عروض وحبر هيان معلمين تا معلمين تا وماسيين وحبرش من كيرو وسكول وبري كبير بني هذا المرة بيه سكول وبري كبير بروح من كيرو وسكول وبري كبير وهذا الكلمة.
Thanks for welcoming us to the school. We are three here from the development. I am the chairman of the Chief Secretary, Mr. Shiraj, and Aisha, and the school around. We are going to that. The school is sponsored by social pillar and implemented by the development. Our primary school is only functional school in the district, and that is very important. If you don't have school, you don't have the hard community. Without school, community doesn't exist. The word hard work to the school is school doesn't live to community in future. And we are ready to prepare the safe environment to provide for that.
Okay.
Currently teaching social studies. I would like first to introduce the members of the school, especially the teachers. I will start from the right hand side, which is Ahmed Hassan Amin. He teaches the language, English language. Also, Adam Hassan Farah, who is currently teaching Tarbiyah subjects. Our headmaster, the leader of the school, Mohammed Ibrahim, teaching IRE subject, Islamic Education. To my left hand side is Master Hanif Odiyo Adi, who is teaching science subject, also computer. Mohammed Noor Mire, to my right hand side, who is teaching Arabic subject, which is also a language. Here by Abdul Nasser Abdullah Sheikh, who is teaching the language Swahili. He is the teacher who is now in not present, and he is out with the permission, and he's called Salah Muhammad Ali, and he teaches mathematics. That's our teachers. Also, I would like to add some more information about maybe thanking to the organization Soraso for their fruitful work that they were doing for the last years. And now we are concluding that maybe the chance that they were giving our students and our priorities, and maybe they were given the chance that these students maybe they can develop talentally or maybe physically and mentally, because they were providing some facilities at the same time. That facilities make the students to shine in this school or maybe in this surrounding area. I conclude my remark. Thanks for this again. Thank you.
Taking advantage of this opportunity, I would like to thank to my best of my knowledge to Finnish government in general and specifically to Sarasota. Although I try to support and effort, our very primary school works effectively and efficiently with the help of Sarasota and through the government. Therefore, we appreciate the assistance accorded. Thank you.